everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Dyuthi Raji. Today I'm going to tell you about a book. This is that book. This is Lift the Flap book. This is questions and answers about animals. I am going to read few interesting poems about animals in this book. So let's start. The first page tells where. Where do polar bears go in the summer? In summer the ice melts, so they either go further north to find more ice or they wait until the sea freezes again. Polar bears can eat berries in the summer. They need ice so they can catch their main food, seals that swim underneath. Where do fish sleep? Some find cracks in rocks to hide in, but many just float in the water, resting. Fish don't have eyelids that close, so they always look awake. The next page tells how. How tall is a giraffe? An adult giraffe is 5 meter to 6 meter tall, 16 feet to 20 feet. It could easily peer through your upstairs window if you lived in a wildlife park. How do crocodiles clean their teeth? They don't. Crocodiles' teeth don't really need cleaning because they fall out all the time and new ones grow up underneath. So funny, right? How far can a grasshopper hop? 2 times, 20 times its own body length. Wow! Although it doesn't actually hop, it jumps. Amazing, right? The next page tells why. Why do cats have whiskers? To sense how big something is. If their whiskers can fit through a gap, cats know their whole body can. Wow, that's so amazing, right? Why are flamingos pink? Because of what they eat. They aren't born pink. Baby flamingos are white and fluffy. Their diet of plants and shrimps contains a red-orange pigment that turns their feathers pink. See, this is baby flamingo. So cute, right? Why do millipedes have so many legs? Probably to help them burrow underground. Millipedes move very slowly above ground, but their many short legs are great at thrusting them into the soil. Millipedes means 1,000 feet, but actually the most they have is 750. Yes or no? Do elephants have teeth? Yes, they have 4 massive chewing teeth. The teeth wear down and are replaced by more teeth moving in from behind. Elephants' 2 pointy tusks are actually teeth as well. This is chewing tooth and this is tusk. Can parrots really talk? No, not like you and me. Some parrots copy words, but they don't seem to know what they mean. One very clever African grey parrot, Alex, did learn to describe things and answer questions though. See? Hello, Charlie. Hello, Charlie. Are zebras identical? No, each zebra has its own unique pattern. Wow! Their strips help them to hide in long grass. The patterns also confuse enemies, making it hard to pick out where one zebra ends and other one begins. The next page is what? What's the difference between a tortoise and a turtle? Tortoises live on land in hot places, and turtles live mostly in water. Turtles have webbed feet to help them to swim. What's this? A horn shark egg. Baby horn shark hatching. What makes a glowworm glow? A chemical made in its body that glows when it mixes with air. There are hundreds of glowworms in this cave. Female glowworms glow brightly to attract males. Which bird has the longest wings? A wandering arbouster. From tip to tip, its wings measure up to 3.5 meters, 11.5 feet. A young arbouster sets off on its first flight and doesn't return to land for 5 years. Which animals live at the bottom of the sea? All sorts of curious creatures. A langerfish use a dangly light to attract their prey. Tripod fish can walk on 3 long fins. Wow, that's amazing, right? Giant tube worms can grow to over 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Which animals are the most venomous? Australian box jellyfish are one of the most venomous animals. Many snakes are venomous too. Sea snakes have the strongest venom, but they really bite. Venomous land snakes are much more dangerous. The last page is who. Who eats this and not much else? Giant pandas. They spend all day eating bamboo. Who did this? I did. The dung in an African elephant poops out in just one day, twice the same as a man. So that's about the book. There are even more poems about animals, but I read few interesting poems. I know if you read this book, you will surely like it. If you like this video, subscribe, like and share. Bye!